Clinical and Experimental Immunology is a journal that is dedicated to reporting clinical and translational immunology research. We were established in 1966, so we've been around for quite some time, and we've got some wonderful papers in the past and currently still that are addressing this area of research. Clinical and Experimental Immunology is an official journal for the British Society for Immunology, which means that the income that is generated through the journal goes back into the society. And this will help the society to support its members. For example, it supports the annual congress, it supports travel awards, various other meetings, all of course related to immunology. Clinical and Experimental Immunology is particularly interested in those papers that look at a wide variety of human pathologies, but always in the context of translational immunology. Over the past few years, we have become more specific in that we are looking to report the studies on translational clinical immunology, but with mechanistic insight as well. That doesn't mean that it has to be a full mechanistic story, but what we do look for is those papers that offer at least a glimpse of what the translational immunology science might mean in terms of mechanistic progress. We've also in the past year published some excellent review series, and that's one thing that we particularly like at Clinical and Experimental Immunology, to highlight a specific topic of research that is timely at the moment and where we can look at this topic from various angles by expert researchers in the field. We have started to move towards dedicated sections in the journal that deal with autoimmunity, cancer immunity, infectious diseases and vaccines, immune-mediated inflammatory diseases, and neuroimmunology. It's a fantastic time to be a scientist at the moment, and a lot of the very basic immunological findings that were done 40, 30 years ago actually now translate into human therapies. Have a look at our scope and really consider submitting your papers to Clinical and Experimental Immunology.